Hello everyone, happy new year, happy new month, happy new everything. Welcome back to this channel, or maybe I'm the one that actually should be welcome back. Like, I've really missed hanging out with you cool people on this channel. It has been like ages since I appeared here. Like, it has really been a long time. Firstly, I want to go ahead and thank our 1,605 subscribers, as at the time this video is being recorded. I must say that we really appreciate you guys spending a lot of your time, to watch our content and hitting the subscribe button. Like, I really love you guys. I like the support that you guys have shown us. So that's why we always have to come back and continue the journey, because we really love you guys. Shout out to all of you. This is like a lot of months since I haven't shown up here. Not like I actually want to, disappear out of the blues. And I really hate the fact that that is the case. But I kind of have been really busy with a lot of things, and I kind of worked on my startup as well, Roku.com, and a bunch of other things. But I'm here now. I'm really here. So a lot has happened from the last time I showed up till now. Yes, the outbreak of the coronavirus, and I'm very certain that you're staying safe. You're doing all the things that they've been asking us to do, which is washing our hands, wearing the face masks, maintaining social distance, and all of that. I'm sure you're doing all of that, right? I'm very hopeful that this will end pretty soon, so that we can go back to our normal lives, which is going out there, meeting people, meeting our friends, chilling out at very cool bar, doing all the fun things that we originally like to do. Like, this thing is so boring, but the most important thing, as we know, is to stay safe, so that we can all survive this together. So a lot of things are changing, as well as technology. So what I want to do is to kind of update us on the type of content that we're going to be seeing on the channel going forward, especially now that we've crossed 1,000 subscribers. So the channel has always been about Xamarin Android and Xamarin iOS. We have over 100 videos covering that topic, which you can find on this channel. And really, I must say that the feedback that I received from you guys concerning the tutorial videos is really encouraging. But one thing that you guys have suggested is that we try as much as possible to include Xamarin Forms content, and I think it's just right about the time to do that. So as we are returning back and getting the channel back active, we intend to be producing more of Xamarin Forms tutorials. You all know what we cherish on this channel, which is to provide solution to most of the pressing topics that nobody talks about on the internet. So we're going to be doing that to Xamarin Forms as well. So Flutter is really growing in popularity. A lot of people now make use of Flutter to build their mobile apps. Even established companies and some startups actually make use of Flutter these days. So we are thinking that a lot of you might actually find learning Flutter to be something interesting. So we intend to make video tutorials to cover most of the concept, coming from basic to advanced, and most of the things that you might not find anywhere on YouTube or on the internet. So we want to do all of that. Then thirdly, I've actually been a developer for over 8 years, and within the course of this period, I've learned a lot of things, made a lot of mistakes, have a lot of experience. So I also want to use this opportunity to share my own experience. I also intend to invite other experienced developers to talk about their experiences, some of the challenges that they face, some of the mistakes that they feel that you shouldn't make. We consider that to be something that you might actually learn a lot from. And finally, because I have some experience working on my own startup, I consider that it might also be some useful knowledge to share about my experience being a developer and going forward to building my own startup. So we consider that knowledge to be something that you might want to be interested in, because you might also learn to code and go out there to build your own company. So we want to be able to provide you with some super useful content that can actually help you in this journey. So these are some of the plans that we have regarding content on this channel going forward. So if you have some suggestions, you can go into the comment section and drop your suggestions over there. And if there's something else that you want us to include, please go ahead and do that. And also let me know what you think about the plans going forward. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, I think this is just the right time to do that. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button somewhere here and turn on the notification bell, so that you can always get notified whenever we start releasing our content. And I really miss you guys. I just can't wait to get into the content creation game, and I'm very certain that it's going to be an amazing run. So this will be all for now, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much. Signing out.